Your Excellency, I have the honor to present to you my letter of credence, by virtue of which His Majesty As a President, I would like to present a great honor from my President, President Joko Widodo, to you. I would like to convey that his intention to increase the relationship between the Republic of Indonesia and Mongolia. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, Mr. President, I am so honored to present to you my letters of credence from Pope Francis, who greets you and sends his regards and blessings.
I only come with my team, my staff, people from the
This is my second time here as well. I came here the first time.
Many greetings from Pope Francis. He is keen in strengthening. This is the prefecture of St. Petersburg. He represents.